You've ended up in a world of impact investing, which I think particularly in Australia is still seen as incredibly cutting edge, but and I think was probably the case when you started your firm back in New York. Is it fair to describe it, is it fair to describe it as a bit of a hybrid of philanthropy and investing, or would you have a different definition for it? There's a million floating around out there with impact investing.
Yeah, I think impact investing is perhaps the perfect confluence of philanthropy and finance, so it takes the best of both worlds. So I define impact investing as making an investment into a for-profit company that beyond financial returns provides some sort of social and or environmental benefit. So it is absolutely a for-profit endeavor. Whether you're making a ton of money or some money is up for discussion, and I think there's a wide range of opportunities there, but yes, it's a for-profit structure.
But it's still a fuzzy definition, and you must encounter skepticism about it all the time, don't you? I think.
Yes, I do. Caroline has been dragging me all over Sydney and Melbourne the last couple of days, and we've had some really fantastic meetings. And one of the main questions has been, are you investing in nonprofits? And at least in my opinion, you don't invest in a nonprofit. You donate to a nonprofit, right? Investing sort of implies that you in fact get something back in terms of a financial return. So you wouldn't invest, impact investing can't be investing in for-profits because you cannot, nonprofits. You cannot invest in a nonprofit. You can donate to a nonprofit, but you can invest in a for-profit company that has a social mission. And I think that's where the confusion is really lying, at least from the many meetings that we've had. And I think clarifying that a little bit is really important. I think there are a lot of terms that are getting used. You hear it as socially responsible investing or impact investing or environmental social governance, so ESG gets used, triple bottom line, which means you're looking at financial, social, and environmental returns, or double bottom line, which means social and financial. Why do we need a title? You're making an investment into a for-profit entity for the purpose of getting two things, right? A financial return and a return that makes the world a better place. And whatever name you want to call that, it's up to you. Who cares, right? It's the idea, it's the action. And I think that getting held back on the semantics of the industry is really detrimental, and it's also a waste of time. I would say, get into a structure that makes sense for you and do it and try it. And if you like it, keep doing it, try other things. If not, slow down.